Hi everybody, this is David Fine. I'm going to show you guys another knot, how to combine two different fishing lines, all right? So I've got my red line, which is a thinner line, probably 15-pound test, and my yellow line, which is a 20-pound test. That would be sort of like a leader. We have a video on the double uni knot, which is the knot I prefer, but the double clinch knot is one that you can use if you're not comfortable with the double uni. So basically what you do is you create a loop with one of your lines, okay? We'll start with making a loop with our yellow line, and then we'll put our red line through. And then you may have heard this called the fisherman's knot or the tornado knot, but basically what you do is you just twist it 7 times, the red tag around the other line 7 times, 6, 7, and then what you can do is you go right through the red eye, and then you take that back through this other loop in the back. You grab your tag, you wet it, saliva works, and then you can clench this down like so. All right, we got one. Now we need to do the same thing with the yellow side. 1, 2, say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We come through the little eye that we created, and then we go back through the big loop. Actually, the red one shouldn't go with it. Go back through the big loop. Okay, lubricate. And pull. Sometimes you need to encourage it with your thumb to go down and clinch. And sometimes you need to pull this tag. Yeah, it's not my favorite. I prefer the double uni, but some people just have a hard time with it. And that knot right there, guys, is very, very strong. So we don't need to worry about that breaking. It does kind of mess with when it starts to clench down. You see how it's a little kinked up here? That's something that, you don't have to worry about it, but it just kind of, I don't know. I don't personally like it as much, but we can take our tag ends off. Make sure you don't cut the wrong one. There, guys, we have our double clinch knot or double tornado knot, however you want to call it, fisherman's knot. And I tied this one for years, guys, so it holds. It's just a little bit more cumbersome. I like the double uni. I've learned how to tie it really well. I like how the knot in the double uni clinches down better. This one, a lot of times you have to encourage it with your fingers, and I don't know. It's just doesn't seem as smooth, but it is super strong. It's very useful. I used it for years. We have a whole bunch of videos, guys, on how to catch big fish down in South Florida, from the beaches to freshwater, saltwater. In fact, I'm gonna go beach fishing here in a little bit. I'm gonna go fish for permit. I'm gonna tie a hook on right now and go permit fishing. So guys, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, let's get out there and catch some fish, and let's splice some lines together. Take care.